Hello students. Today we shall learn the 14th chapter of EVS, and the name of the chapter is When the Earth Shook. Students, you must have heard about the natural disasters which occur due to the natural process of the earth. We can list natural disasters like floods, tsunamis, cyclones, landslides, thunderstorms, lightning, avalanche, and there are so many natural disasters we can list. This is the picture of flood. Flood takes away life and property. See the picture of volcano. This is the picture of tsunami. See the picture of landslide. This is the picture of thunderstorms. This is the picture of lightning. The picture you see on the screen now is of tornado. This is wildfire. And now the picture you see is avalanche. During the monsoons, we also have experienced floods in Goa, right? You must have read, you must have heard about floods in Goa. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about the earthquake which took place in the city of or the area of Kutch in the state of Gujarat in India. Now, students, let us first understand what is earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth's crust. I repeat, an earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth's crust. Students, feel yourself that everything around you is stable. You are doing your work, you are studying as per your plan that you have made. Your parents go to the work as they have planned. Your neighbors, the people around you, are doing their own work as per they have planned. And imagine, students, if a sudden shaking take place, if the sudden shake you feel in the entire situation, what will happen? You will not know what will happen. You will run here and there, right? In this way, earthquake occurs. Let's see what happened in Kutch. On 26th January 2001, when our country was celebrating the 52nd Republic Day of our country, on that day, an earthquake was occurred in Kutch and in Ahmedabad in Gujarat and surrounding parts of Gujarat area. Let's watch some of the pictures of the earthquake in Kutch and the surrounding of Ahmedabad and feel the intensity of the calamity. All the villagers of Kutch were busy in watching the Republic Day parade on television. Suddenly, ground started shaking and everything started falling down. People have experienced that trees started falling, the houses started falling, the buildings started falling. People were under the panic. They don't know what to do. they started running here and there to save their own lives. What happened that day on 26 January 2001? Yes, it was a major earthquake. Many houses were fallen down in a second. Many buildings fallen on the ground in seconds. Trees fallen down, houses fallen down. People died, many thousands and people died. And how many thousands of people were wounded that you cannot imagine during that time. This earthquake in Kutch, it was measured 7.7 on Richter scale, and the earthquake is measured through an instrument called seismograph. The condition was very bad after the earthquake. Many people died and many people buried under the ground or under the buildings. The three things people were doing: first one, they were helping who were trapped. Second one, they were giving medical aid to the injured people. And the third one, it was a cold winter and people were awake. They were fearing that another earthquake will occur. The people in Kutch, the people in Ahmedabad lost their families. They lost their houses. They lost their buildings. Everything was on the ground and the people were sad and very disturbed. Sarpanch Mota Babu, he was saved from this earthquake and he doesn't experience much damage, but he helped the people by giving rice and wheat. The women in Kutch area, they helped to cook the food and serve the people. The entire scenario in Kutch and Ahmedabad was very, very bad, and people were under shock and panic. Now, students, I will give you homework. You make a list of the natural disasters that took place on this earth and write it on your notebook. Thank you.